Does the government tell us the truth about illegal immigration and what they're doing to curb it? Well, you're going to find out the answer here very, very clearly. So, early last year, Rishi Sunak stood up behind his Stop the Boat slogan and said this.
That is why today we are introducing legislation to make clear that if you come here illegally, you can't claim asylum, you can't benefit from our modern slavery protections, you can't make spurious human rights claims, and you can't stay. We will detain those who come here illegally and then remove them in weeks, either to their own country if it is safe to do so, or to a safe third country like Rwanda. And once you are removed, you will be banned, as you are in America and Australia, from ever re-entering our country.
So it couldn't be clearer, could it? The illegal migration bill will go through Parliament, and anyone that enters the country on a dinghy across the Channel will not be allowed to claim asylum and will not be allowed to stay. Well, at the time, I expressed some scepticism. You see, this is all about politics. They know this policy isn't going to work, but Rishi Sunak tells you how impossible the situation is. Doesn't take any responsibility for it, doesn't accept that many of us have been screaming at them over the course of the last 3 years to do something about it, doesn't accept for a moment that, of course, Boris Johnson said if you come here illegally, you won't stay. David Cameron said if you come here illegally, you won't stay. Now, this is all projecting forward. We are on your side. That is what Sunak is saying. So in July 2023, it becomes an act. It becomes law. Today, James Cleverly was there before the Home Affairs Committee with his senior civil servants, and Tim Loughton, the Tory MP, asked a very simple question. What had happened to those people that had come since last August, since the Illegal Migration Act? And have a listen to this. He asks exactly the right question. And he gets an answer from the senior civil servant, Sir Matthew Rycroft, KCMG CBE. Have a look at this.
And what is the status of those people who've come across the Channel since the Illegal Migration Act came into force? How many of them are there, and what is their actual status?
Their status is they're claiming asylum, and they are in different stages of the asylum caseload.
Under the terms of the Illegal Migration Act, they're not entitled to apply for asylum, are they?
They're entitled to apply, but then they are. Yeah. Then we have a different process under that Act for dealing with their claims.
Well, they're not entitled to apply under the terms of the Act, so they can apply, but that application is not recognised within the normal asylum procedures. Correct? So what is their status?
Their status is that they have sought to claim asylum, and we are continuing to manage they are in the asylum caseload.
But they aren't. But they can't. They're not recognised as asylum seekers. So how are they in the asylum caseload?
So you can see, none of it was true. Literally, none of it was true. Nobody that has come across on a boat has been told because of the legislation they can't stay and been sent anywhere. This is deception by government on the most astonishing scale, and they keep on doing it. They keep on putting out these statements telling us, we're going to deal with this, we're going to deal with that. They've got no intention of really doing anything about it at all. Why? Because they're more worried about our international responsibilities, our signing up to the 1951 way out of date Refugee Convention, and of course, our membership of the European Convention on Human Rights. This is an utterly dishonest Prime Minister, an utterly dishonest government. Don't believe a single word that they say.